Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 20 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be looking at exercises 26 and 27, which are contrary motion scales again.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So what I find difficult about this particular exercise is that it's not as common of a pattern. So I really have to pay attention to where the emphasis of the beat is, and that helps me make sure I do the turn on the right spot. So if you'll notice, we're going up an octave. Da 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 da. So sometimes we want to go to that ninth or go straight to the octave and down, but this has you do a little bit of a turn. So just be cognizant that this is a slightly different pattern than your throat might be used to. Take this slow. Exercise 26. Again, we're keeping those big structures out of the way. Now let's move on to exercise 27, which is the same thing, but inverted. So we're coming down. Okay, that one's a bit tricky. So it's like rubbing, patting your head, rubbing your belly. So let's try that again. So get used to those patterns, and then you could start to play with it and go a little bit faster, click by click. But I don't want anyone getting ahead of themselves, okay? Unless you can articulate every single pitch without this moving, okay? Because you might find if you put your finger here that this starts to move pitch to pitch. Oh, if you have the tongue involved, and you might be going a little bit too fast, and so then the tongue wants to grab to control the pitches. So make sure that when you're first learning these, that you go really slow with the correct form, and then within the correct form, you can speed it up bit by bit.